We're talking to Mr. Shou Chung, the first Asian distributor of Vshaper 3D printers. Hello, Shou.
Hello.
This is your first time in Poland, isn't it? How do you like it here?
Yes, it's my first time in Poland. I found the people here are very nice. The Polish food is just great. And the scene around here is very beautiful. And what impressed me a lot is the consumer price here is quite reasonable compared with the other countries in Europe.
You spend a lot of time with our experts, watching how they work and learning the technologies that they use. Now, in terms of the advancement of those technologies, what made the biggest impression on you?
Yes, I have been here for 1 week to attend a training with the experts in each functions. And I always want to say that seeing is to believe. The 3D printing technology Verashape used to make the Vshaper Pro a real advanced 3D printer which can totally satisfy the needs of each industrial application. Now you may worry, customer may worry like, will that be difficult to control? Is that difficult to use? No, you can simply start your printing job by through just a few steps. And that impressed me really a lot.
Okay. Now, how would you describe Asian market in terms of 3D printing? In which sectors is it mainly used?
Okay. I think 3D printing is highly valued by the governments or the company in Asia. Just like the slogan you have, Industrial 4.0. We also have our own slogan. We also have our own blueprint. Now, many companies in Asia, they start to think about the change from the traditional mass production to the industrial with high added value, And I think 3D printing could play a very important role to help them, especially on the R&D stage,
I've been meaning to ask you about the limitations of your market.
Yes.
What would they be?
Yes, we do have some problem. We have labor cost increasing problem. We have technician shortage problem. We have population aging problem. And we also have the industrial move-out problem.
Can 3D printing help in any way here? What are the expectations of the market?
Yes, I think with the 3D printing, we can use the machine to replace the label, part of labels. And also with the 3D printer, the company could save their budget on the R&D stage and more possibility on their design job and to shorten the lead time of new product launch.
Shou, I'm very curious here. I know there are many 3D printers producers in Asia, but you've chosen to cooperate with the Polish one.
Yes.
Why is that? Why the Vshaper?
Okay, that is a good question. Because when customers choose the 3D printer, they may ask some questions, and so do I. So the first question is about the 3D printing quality. How is the strength? How is the precision? And the second question is the printing speed. And the third one is the barriers to entry. Is it difficult to use or is it easy to control? And the last one is the cost. That is also the most important one. Do we need to invest a lot of money to own the 3D printer? I think it's not easy to find a perfect product in the world. But I believe your product, Vshaper Pro, holds the best balance position.
Okay, that does sound like Vshaper. But what would you say is the competitive edge of the Vshaper? What makes it stand out in your market?
I think Verashape keep developing the best advanced 3D printer. And most important is you produce the major parts and the software on your own. And because of this, we can make sure the quality of the machine, and also we can do the better after-sales service to the customer.
And what do you think about the support from the producer? What do you appreciate in particular about it?
I think Verashape, you have experience and a very strong technical support team, which can quickly solve each issue we may face, and the customer don't need to worry if they are new to the 3D printer because you could be their very reliable backup.
Now, Shou, we know that you've already been successful with sales of Vshaper in your market. Could you tell me what it is that that makes the customers go for the Vshaper?
Okay. Yes, I had successfully sold the Pro machine to the customer in China. And still, many potential customers in Taiwan or in Japan, they are quite interested in buying the Vshaper printer. I think their requirements are very similar and very common and clear. They need a professional 3D printer, which can print in high-grade material, such like PK or wooden, PI, something, yeah.
Could you tell me about your plans for the future?
Okay, I think I will be quite busy in September because we are going to have two 3D printing show in Taiwan. So the first one is in the early of September. We are going to hold demonstrate the printer, your printer in Taipei. And the second one is around middle of September. We are going to demonstrate the Pro machine in the south of Taiwan. And right now we start from Taiwan and we are going to expand our business to the other country in Asia, to China or even to Japan. Yeah.
Okay, Shou, thank you for your time and I wish you further success.
You're welcome. Thank you.